The changes in my overall health and life have been nothing short of amazing. Today we're going to talk about busting the myth that you have to eat vegetables in order to lose weight and get healthy. The solution not only helped me lose over 70 pounds and keep it off to this day, but my husband also lost 250 pounds. Hello again. My name is Carla and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's great to have you here. Have you ever considered a healthy eating or weight loss program only to be told that they couldn't help you? Was it because you couldn't commit to eating the foods on the required list? Well, that's happened to me several times. Give me 5 minutes because I want to show you there is another way. All the programs that you see on TV or you hear advertised with the great looking foods that you can order and eat, or the national chain diet programs that are supposed to really work. Most of them require, and I mean require, that you eat certain foods and in specific amounts each day. One program that I looked at had a list of 50 approved vegetables for the first 30 days. I only ate one item from that list: green beans. Can you imagine having to eat 2/3 of your meal in green beans every meal, every day? I've been told flat out, sorry, we can't help you. And I would hang my head and think, wow, isn't this just great? I'm not in the norm, so nobody can help me. It's not that I won't eat the foods. Well, that's partially true, but that I can't eat them without gagging or worse. I have an issue with the texture of certain foods as well as the taste. You see, to me, most vegetables taste like grass smells. You know what I mean. Think of how it smells when you cut your grass or mow your lawn, as some people call it. That's what comes to mind when I try to eat a salad. It's that earthy taste or that crunchy texture or that mushy texture when you try to cook the vegetables. And sorry, it just ain't happening. I'm 51 years old, and believe me when I tell you, I have tried. In March of 2018, after lots of research, I found a program that I thought might work. I still worried about my texture and taste issues, but I was willing to give it a try. This would be a way to consume more vegetables or a more plant-based diet without even knowing it, and especially not having to eat them. If you're finding value in this content, please click the like button and the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. And I would love it if you would leave me a comment. The solution not only helped me lose over 70 pounds and keep it off to this day, but my husband also lost over 250 pounds. Now he loves veggies, so it's just an extra win for him. The Isagenix nutritional plan allows me to still eat the foods that I like in moderation and replace other meals with highly nutritious whey or plant-based protein shakes. Yep, I'm able to consume 2 plant-based meals each day, breakfast and lunch, and never have to actually eat the vegetables. When I say I get the veggies though, I mean it. Here is just some of what is in each smoothie: fava bean protein, mung bean protein, pea protein, chia seed powder, alfalfa leaf, broccoli, spinach, kale, pumpkin, sweet potato, sunflower seed, cranberry, chlorella, maitake, and shiitake mushrooms, and more. In addition, it's dairy-free, soy-free, vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO. And guess what? It tastes like chocolate or strawberry or banana or vanilla, or really the sky's the limit. Also, I don't have to worry about cooking for 3 meals a day and eating specific amounts of certain foods for each meal. And I can have fruit, which I love. Losing the weight was actually a secondary effect for me. The changes in my overall health and life have been nothing short of amazing. I had trouble sleeping, shortness of breath, tired all the time, no energy, depressed, feeling like life was happening to me and not with or for me. I just honestly felt like I was surviving. At 48 years old, I just knew that I was too young to feel that old and be missing out on life. Do any of these things resonate with you? Do you have the same pain points? Yep, I thought so. Let me just tell you right now that you can do it and you are worthy. If you're like me and just don't eat vegetables, fear not, there's help. If you love vegetables but just have trouble sticking to a plan, fear not, there is help. I am always happy to share information and help others on their journey. We have a huge team of people just like me and you, supporting each other and walking the journey to their healthier life. The joy should be in the journey as much as the destination. Please click on the link in the description to connect with me. I can help you set up your own wholesale nutritious food account and walk this journey with you. It's time to thrive instead of just survive. Have a blessed day.